Hi guys, a very good evening. So Team ZANU-PF has confirmed that they want President Emmerson Mnangagwa to go beyond 2030. What does that mean? It means Kembo Mohadi does not have a chance to become the next president of Zimbabwe. He's old. If President Mnangagwa goes beyond 2030 and dies in office, what it means is Kembo Mohadi zvavharana, General Chiwenga zvavharana, Mam Chingurika Shiri zvavharana, nerimwe timu rese rinenge riri pakati apa. It will be difficult for them to take over because from mudhara it's possible kuti kanenge vakuchunirawo vana vavo. Hakuna munhu angambogara pachigaro for that long asingazochuniriwo mwana wake. It won't happen. So let us hear the conspiracy which is happening within ZANU-PF. Munzwe kuti zvinhu zvacho zvakamira sei uye pachichaputikira ndo patinoda kuti titaure kusvika tasvika. So this is the conspiracy. This is what is happening at this moment in time, and they are clear that they want President Mnangagwa to go beyond 2030, and they want to have him in power for much longer. So the major question is, are they going to succeed? Are they going to be able to carry out this plan successfully? Is a question for another day. But at this moment in time, let us remember that there are a lot of people who are ambitious to be the presidents of Zimbabwe. We are not talking about those in the opposition. We are talking about those within the ruling party. Very ambitious people within the ruling party who want to be presidents after President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The major question is, are they going to let it go just like that? Kuti 2030 mudhara. So you see kuti, yes, they wanted 2/3 majority at all costs and they've earned it. Right now the major challenge is, how are they going to go about it to amend the constitution? Because remember, to extend the presidential term limit, they will need a referendum. How are the people going to vote in that referendum? Are the people going to support the ZANU-PF ruling party during that referendum? Are they going to use the same tactics as the FAS to make sure that they coerce people to vote for that referendum to pass it? It's something else. But are ZANU-PF people going to let it just like that without any resistance? Guys, imunofungidzira kuti hakuna here munhu vanhu vari kufungana chikwata chiri kufunga kuti 2028 kana mudhara akazorora, madhara aya akazorora ari 3, we have to take it over and go forward tane chimwe chinhu chinyowani. Munofungidzira kuti hakuna here vanhu vari kufungawo izvozvozvo. There are several people who want that position, who want that post, who believe kuti they are entitled or they are even worthy to become the next presidents of this country. But the major question is, vana 2030 ava vanenge vachipinda neipi? Let us remember Grace Mugabe. Grace Mugabe akambotaura achiti vaMugabe vachatonga vari muwheelchair, vachatonga vari kuNational Heroes Acre. But those two things didn't happen. Number one, President Mugabe never ruled Zimbabwe from a wheelchair. Number two, President Robert Mugabe didn't even go to the National Heroes Acre. She missed it. He missed Heroes Acre himself, and Grace Mugabe missed the predictions which she made. And Team G40 is in exile at this moment in time. The major question is, will these people be able to debunk time? Will they be able to actually go against the timelines which have been put for this regime to be in power? I do not know. So those are very Team Zimbabwe. We just made a decision to bring this one. Let me play it for the last time before we end this program.